Hello you guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to another layout for the scrap room. Today we're going to play with this portion of the Flavors of the Month kit. It is Fancy Pants Designs, Paisleys, and Petals. I'm just going to play today. This collection has all the lovely colors, the deep rich tones I love with pops of some pale colors and coral. It just floats my boat, that's for sure. Everyone's going to get, in the Flavors of the Month kit, everybody gets kind of like 4 mini collections, and in those 4 mini collections you get 3 pattern papers of that collection, 2 coordinating cardstocks, and some embellishments. So for this kit, we're going to get 2 sheets of white cardstock, and these are the 3 pattern papers you're going to get. You're going to get floral paisley, which is exactly what it is. I love these colors. And then this gorgeous, like a triangle pattern on the back, but a gorgeous color for sure. So forgotten florals, so some individual florals kind of floating around. And then this, oh, this is the B side. I like that side, but this is the forgotten florals, and they're kind of like these viney things, very pretty. And then this is called vintage lace. You can see why. Another of that teal, dark, rich color. And then this pretty print, which is like a leaf print. Yeah. And then everyone's going to get some ephemera bits, pretty much. So you're going to get a 6-pack ephemera, a 6th pack of tags and cards, and some enamel dots. So it's all going to vary per kit. You're not going to get the same thing as I am, but you're going to get a 6-pack. You're not going to get the exact same items as I am, but you're going to get a 6-pack of that. So I got these beautiful like mustardy yellow enamel dots, and then look at all these fun little florals. I'm guessing these are part of the tags and cards. These might be too. And all these fun little floral bits. Love it. All right, we are gonna play, and yeah, I just gotta find some photos, figure out what the heck I want to do. But let me kind of get picked up and start with finding some photos, and let's get started. Okay, I've done some work. I wanted to play with these 4 photos. They've been on my desk needing to get scrapped for a while, and I really liked the color scheme with this. It's a pictures of a finished t-shirt quilt I did a few years ago. And so yeah, I really wanted that done. So I figured I'd go simple, but I really wanted to use a lot of the patterns. So I got twice. I got the beautiful floral paper with the teal. I got a chunk of this as well, because this was going to cover it up anyway. And then I matted my photo mat. They're just 4 4x6 photos that were cut down. So these are like 4x, I think like 5, and these are 4x2 or something like that. I don't remember, but I just, so super simple. So I took one of the tags that came in my little ephemera, and I put the word quilt on there. Now I think I'm going to take some black thread and stitch. So I think I'm going to machine stitch a border around this, or maybe I'll even go like and do it within that, just because we're also quilting. And then I was thinking about, I want to bring some more black in, because there's a lot of dark black in the photos and on the quilt, and maybe a black doily, but I don't think I have any, so I might either have to cut out a doily from my silhouette on some black cardstock, or just take a doily I already have and spritz it black. Because then I have all these beautiful ephemera pieces that I want to use, but I feel like they'll get lost on this print. So if I have a base for them first, it'll help. So I thought a chunk of a doily maybe in this corner, and then maybe a small piece over here, and then it would kind of diagonal and then quilt. And then I kind of want to put like finished or done or something like this, but I will probably have to stamp it. So I got to find just a little label. I wonder if I could even stamp just right on this, except for that's supposed to go, you can tell that should go vertical, so maybe that won't work. Might have to find a plain label. But that, that then I want to play with all these lovely little florals that I have and the enamel dots, but I feel like they're getting lost. Same with the quilt word is maybe getting lost in there a little bit. So I might outline it in black just so it pops a little. And actually, let's see. Now it looks a little messy. We'll clean it up. So I'm going to do that. And then I'll be back and we'll see where we're at then. And then we'll finish with some embellishments. Okay. Okay. I stitched all the way around. And then I dyed a doily black with my Color Splash from Shimmers. And it's called Black Hole. It is a glossy acrylic spray. This stuff is awesome. And then after I put those down, I stitched through them. So I did with the same black thread. So I've got that. So, and then I did my little cluster in the middle. I'm really liking how that's turning out. I might add another enamel dot to balance it. But right now I just want to finish the clusters that I was going to do on the sides. Okay, all of my enamel dots used. I got lots of leaves. I don't know if I should stick them places or what, but I think I will leave them. That's what I got for you guys. Basically a simple photo grid layout with some details that just make it unique and make it stand out. So there you go. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you check out everybody who else is on the design team by checking out the ScrapRoom YouTube channel as well. If you're not watching it from there, I appreciate it if you go to my channel too, if you're watching it from the ScrapRoom YouTube channel. But make sure you go check out the Facebook group to see all the other inspiration of all other people who buy the kit, who play with it, and put their inspiration out, who share what they've made. I'm sure they will make some gorgeous things. This is a great kit. And check out the store so you can go grab the Flavors of the Month kit this month for yourself. I appreciate you. We'll see you next time.